This function refers to the values we have above, but there would be no problem in moving this range and moving it up, and automatically, logically, the references that are going to change for me, and now the references will always be to the same values, but in a different position. Relative references will be retained when I move the cell content. Logically, what I should not do is move to the right, because then we will indeed continue to reference the values of the other column, and in this case it could lead us to an error, because this value is not the hypotenuse of this triangle. We have to leave this as it was, and what we have to do here is copy the formula or expand the fill pattern to the right so that this relative reference that referred to these values now becomes the reference to the values immediately below in this case. That is what we have to take into account when using functions that refer to cells, as they may be preserved or not, or may be transformed into others depending on the function we are performing and the type of reference it is.